Uh, my name is Sugintile, and welcome to PandoraBiz Twitter. This video is about how to reset PTZ or activate auto pedaling. All you need to do is first, you will have this your camera on your phone. When you open the app, get in, get in, go to more, click reset PTZ, and you can see 6 empty boxes here, and this is where you put on the location where you want the camera to be focused at. For example, I will add one here. This happened because if right now you can see the setting failed because I haven't turned the camera to the location where I want it. So I turn it for a while, then go back to PTZ, add location, location successful. And you go back, change it to different location, go back to PTZ, add the second location, and you need to do the same for whole 6 1. You can't activate it activate the PTZ if you haven't done for all the new location. So there is 6 locations, so you need to set it for six location. Right now, just to show you, I'm gonna add same location to everything, but you should understand that you need to add different location at the different boxes. After this, after after you have set all the location at the PC PTZ, you need to go back, go to setting, and when you go to setting, go to PTZ auto petrol. You go there. As you know, you have already have set the PTZ location, or already preset the PTZ. Go to auto petroling. You can't turn it off right now because you have not add the petroling route. So press on add petrol or add route. Select all the routes. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay. Select petrol turn. I will recommend you to put the start time as 200 and end time as 2350, so the camera will be rotating for whole day. You can add save, and you need to add which timing card to be here, and I recommend you to not to add